If you don't like crowded spots but still crave adventure, then a night visit to the Taj Mahal is your secret ticket to awe. Night descends, and the Taj Mahal transforms. The hustle fades, and the gentle glow of the moon paints the marble in silver and blue. It's quiet, almost surreal. The intricate carvings stand out, casting soft shadows, and the reflection in the Yamuna River shimmers like a dream. You'll hear only whispers and the distant sound of crickets. The air feels cooler, the world slows down, and for a moment it's just you and this wonder of the world. Night view tickets are rare, only allowed on a few days each month during a full moon or close to it. If you ever get the chance, take it. The Taj Mahal at night isn't just something to see, it's something to feel. Add this to your bucket list and thank me later. And here's the Taj Mahal illuminated at night, truly magical. Here's a photo idea. At sunrise, stand at the reflecting pool and capture the Taj Mahal with its golden reflection. Try including a silhouette of yourself or a friend in the foreground for a magical memory.